In this video, I'm going to be talking about the PTE item type in the listening section of the exam called Select Missing Word, which contributes exclusively to your listening score. You either get a correct or incorrect score when you choose your answers, and you might get 2 or 3 of these each time you sit the PTE exam. Now, it's a bit of a misnomer. That means an inaccurate name to call it Select Missing Word. It should really be called Select Missing Words, because always the options that you have to choose from are 3 or 4 words on average. It's like a little phrase. Okay, so you listen to some audio. It might go for, say, 60 seconds on average, and then you're given 4 options to choose from, and you have to click on the option that you believe is correct. The option will be occurring at the end of the audio that you hear, okay? So you might listen for 60 seconds and then you'll hear a beep sound at the end, and at that point the sentence cuts off and you have to choose the correct option. A key tip here is to be aware that you should pay attention for the whole of the audio, because something that's said at the very start may have some implications for what is missing at the very end. So pay careful attention throughout. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples of some options from one Select Missing Word. These were the 4 options. They become dedicated. They get exhausted. They're rather improved. They're quite competent. They're quite indifferent. Now, in this case, we have 2 pronouns, subject pronouns, they and they, and then with the there, they're also subject pronouns, but it's like they are, you know, the contraction there, okay? Now, in any case, it's all 5 of them are the same grammar form, okay? They're all pronouns, subject pronouns, and they're all followed by adjectives: dedicated, exhausted, improved, competent, indifferent. So you're not being tested on grammar here. If you were, then they would have different grammar forms, but all the grammar forms are identical here. So you're not being tested on grammar. What you are being tested on, really and truly, is just your ability to pay careful attention throughout the whole audio in order to capture the meaning and choose the correct option. So in the long PT exam, where it's easy to get tired and distracted and exhausted, make sure you concentrate so you can get a point for each Select Missing Word that you face in the exam. Good luck.